Alright, we are going to search for in Google for verbs Bloom, and we don't want PDFs. I did already enter this, so that's why you see this. Press enter and find appropriate website. Now we just try one, and of course we select an appropriate one. This website looks good. It has the themes and the verbs. I want to copy the link, and then I open Power BI. This will take some time. I cut off a bit of the screens, and we are going to get the data, and then we have to make a selection. The selection we want is from web. It's in other, and we search for web. Where's web? Oh, there on top. Alright, click on connect. Now the connection is made, and when we paste the website, click OK, and Power BI is going to search for objects into this website. It will find two parts, document and table one. If we click on the first one, it doesn't seem good. The table looks fine. We cannot select edit. First we have to select the table and then load. No, we click on edit because we want to change something. We want to change something into the editor. Alright, click on edit queries. And what do we want? We have two columns, column 1 and column 2, and in the second column we want to split it. Click split column by delimiter. The delimiter is the comma, so we select here the delimiter comma, and then we click advanced options, and there we select rows. So every time Power BI sees a comma, he split it into a new row. Well, there are appropriately also blanks in it, so we want to delete the blanks, and there's something else we want to do. There are some spaces before and after it, and that's why we want to clean it, or better trim. So if trim removes the spaces. Now we're going to change the column name, double click or click F2, change it to theme, and the other column we also have to change, and we make therefore a name verb. So select the column, double click, verb. Alright, we are almost done, and we are going to close and apply this and go to Power BI. The query will be loaded into the data model, and we are going to check this. We select the tables, and all the verbs and themes are visible here. In the data model we only have one table. Now we go back to the canvas, and now we want to select a visual. The first one we are going to do is a tree map, and we select the different themes. And we also select the themes for values, and they are all one time available. We make it we resize it in such a case that all the surfaces are equal. Now the next one we are going to import from the marketplace because our visual is not available. I am logged in already, and I search now for Word. Click on search, and then we select the word cloud, the exact one we needed. The visual will be imported, and you see this visual available in your screen here. Select it, and what do we choose? We choose the verbs, and we drag it into the categories. And actually that's all we have to do. We have to reshape this, and all the verbs are in this visual. Now if we select a theme, for example analysis, we click on it, and then what happens? Only the verbs available that belong to analyze will be there. We can repeat it for evaluation or for application. If we click back, we have all the verbs available. Now what about apply? If we click apply, we see in which theme this belongs, or maybe we can select another one, separate, and we see that this belongs to analysis. Alright, put it back. I hope you like this video. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.